Hi, how you doing? Well, I haven't been online much or made any videos because when I was cutting this mango tree, I actually got mango sap on my arm, my chest, and it spread all over my body. And it's really weird. It's like almost 4 weeks now, and I still have effects of the mango sap. It's like a, I don't know what it does to your skin. It's like a fungus, but it's not. And I went to some doctors, and I don't know. So today on the Miata, I don't feel like I want a sunscreen for the dash for the windshield, and I don't want to pay like $50 online. So I bought this shade here from Walmart, which is, it was $8.99. So I'm gonna lay that onto here and then trace it out and then cut it, and then hopefully I'll be able to make it all work. So this is the sunshade that I have. I have a magic marker. You can see how big it is. It's huge. Okay, so we'll see how that does, and I'm gonna cut it out now. So this is what I made. Now I'm gonna go take it and put it in the car and then see how it does. it's not bad. I could trim just a little bit off on it and it would be better, but it fits pretty good. I'm just using the visors like you normally would to hold it down now. And I have a cheap, inexpensive screen. And of course this is on my 1993 Mazda Miata LE with the red interior. And it blocks out a lot of sun. Like I said, I could probably trim it down a little, but I kind of like it overlapping because it looks like it fits pretty good. And the way the material's made, you don't really have to have a border on it like it was. So I'm happy with it. I think it works great. Well, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day, and everybody please be safe and like and subscribe. Thank you.